Today we will learn the present simple English verb tense. We use the present simple to talk about activities done on a regular basis, like every day, once a week, or once a month. We also use the present simple to talk about facts that are generally true, like children go to school, adults go to work. To use the present simple tense, I use the base or infinitive form of the verb. I only add an S when my subject is in the third person singular. The third person singular means I'm talking about one person or thing, like he, she, or it. Or I'm using the names of one person or thing. For example, Pat eats, Jen eats, the dog eats. If my subject is I, you, we, they, or two or more people or things, we do not add an S and we keep the verb as it is. Let's look at this example. We eat dinner at 6 p.m. Joe eats dinner at 8 p.m. The second sentence has an S because I'm talking about Joe and he's one person. There are some special spelling rules to remember in the present tense. When adding an S, if the verb ends in S, SH, O, X, or CH, you must add ES. He brushes, she watches, it goes. Another spelling rule is if the verb ends in Y, you need to change the Y to I and add ES. The airplane flies in the sky. Now it's time to practice. But first, watch my daily routine English vocabulary video to make sure you know all the verbs in this practice session. Then come back and join this practice. Directions. Fill in the blank with the correct verb in present simple form. For example, I a shower at 6 a.m. You would say take. I take a shower at 6 a.m. Joey his face. Washes. Joey washes his face. We dinner. Cook. We cook dinner. The girls outside. Play. The girls play outside. Jasmine, her homework. Does. Jasmine does her homework. Rosa, on her makeup. Puts. Rosa puts on her makeup. They home at 4 p.m. Come. They come home at 4 p.m. Lila and Floor to sleep at 8 p.m. Go. Lila and Floor go to sleep at 8 p.m. The dog a book. Reads. The dog reads a book. Maggie her hair. Brushes. Maggie brushes her hair. We dressed after breakfast. Get. We get dressed after breakfast. Sammy to work at 10 a.m. Goes. Sammy goes to work at 10 a.m. Here's a challenge question. This verb isn't in my first video, but see if you know it. The barber, the man's hair. The barber dries the man's hair. Don't forget to change that Y to I and add ES. Thanks for watching. Subscribe today. Leave a comment that practices using the present simple tense.